Buddy, you want to check out the truck?
Yeah.
You want to come check it out? You want to come check out the truck?
Hey. Hey.
You want to jump in there?
Okay. So
There's a handle here too. I can hold your phone if you want. You guys want to go in? Here you go, buddy. Get a picture of you if you want.
Sure.
okay.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
Seriously?
Here, why don't you guys sit in that one there? Why don't you guys sit there? You can sit in that one if you want.
Okay.
You can sit here. It's cool, eh?
Yeah.
Sit there.
I'm seeing the first time of that.
What's that?
I'm seeing the first time.
Oh yeah.
This.
You guys have seen one before or not?
No.
Have you ever been in one or no?
No.
No. You guys know what? You guys don't know what this does?
No.
So this is how we get all the water for the pumps.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So we so like there's all these, you can kind of see on here, like there's all these different lines. So like usually if we're going to a house fire, we'll use these lines off the front. So then I'll control the water here, so we can control how much pressure they have and that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. So, but yeah, we can pretty much handle everything from here. And then see like this, like there's a scene light here, so like it's like that. We'll turn that light on if we want. She's got a few different options. So yeah, it's kind of
Okay.
cool. And then here, like behind you here, like these air tanks. Like see those guys, you can see him like he's wearing his air tank there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Like the behind of that.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
So he was wearing it like they were in here, like this one here.
Oh.
So that way when we like when we're driving, we can put it on as we're driving, like a backpack. Like here, I'll just show you, I can put it on you, buddy, like just like this, just like that.
Yeah,
And then
firefighter.
yeah, that's right. And then we carry our masks with us, and then that way we can
control the whole stuff
yeah.
from here.
Yeah, and then the things too is like it's great because we can go get ready while we're driving, right?
Yeah.
So it's pretty handy
How
that
many
way.
people can come like this?
So we can only, on this truck we can do 5 guys. We only usually do 4 though, unless we have extra guys. But we'll usually do, we'll usually do 5.
Now
Or 4, sorry.
Oh.
my friend is gonna be jealous of my friends.
I know. Okay, you guys want? Yeah, you guys.
ये हमारा फायर अलार्म बज गया था, तो ये आगे कॉल हमने की थी। एहतियातन उन्होंने चेक किया, कुछ नहीं है, वो किसी वजह से बजाय अब उन्होंने अलार्म बंद कर दिया।